Welcome to SGT Classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about the one of the method to solve the quadratic equation. The method name is the completing the square method. Okay, this is one of the very easy method and very interesting method. So let's start. Okay, I have one of the example x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. I have two methods for the completing the square. Okay, so x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Method number 1, x square plus x plus k is equal to x plus a bracket square. This is the second method, but first we will learn about the first method and then we will learn about the second method. Okay, so in this case x square plus x is equal to 20. This is the given equation. Now term to be added from I have written x square plus x is equal to 20 minus 20 will be plus on the RHS. So term to be added is equal to 1/2 the coefficient of x and bracket square. Okay, complete whole bracket square. One thing remember, that coefficient of x, if x is not there, y is there, then coefficient of y, m is there, the coefficient of m, n is there, the coefficient of n. Whatever the alphabet given in the equation, you have to write that alphabet at the place of coefficient of x. Okay, and then you have to do the complete square of that whole. Okay, 1/2 into coefficient of x bracket square. So 1/2, what is the x? X is here. You can see that there is 1 only. If there is no number, there is 1. So 1/2 into 1. So I will get 1/2 and bracket square. So I will get 1/4. Okay. So now I have to add this number in both of these sides, LHS and RHS of this equation. Therefore, I will write x square plus x plus 1/2 is equal to 20 plus 1/2. Okay. Now proceed this equation. Therefore, if you just do this calculation, you will get x plus 1/2 bracket square. Okay, and now this will be 4 into 20. 20 means 4 24s are 80 plus 1 81 and upon this 4. Okay, now if I rearrange this x plus 1/2, I will get 9/2 bracket square. Okay, therefore by taking square root on both sides, 1/2 is equal to plus minus 9/2. Okay, now do the complete calculation. So I will get x is equal to 9/2 minus 1/2, or x is equal to minus 9/2 minus 1/2. Okay, so this will be plus minus and this is plus, so it will be minus on the RHS. So now I will get x is equal to 9 minus 1/2, or x is equal to minus 9 minus 1/2. Okay, so minus 10/2, it will be minus 5. It will be minus 5. Okay, and this 8/2, it is equal to 4. Okay, so these are the values. Okay, now these are the values, and so therefore the roots of the given quadratic equations are, okay, this 4 and minus 5. Okay, in this way you have to write this. But this is one of the method by which you can solve the given equation by the completing the square. Okay, and one of the another method is there. We're going to discuss that, but first please try to understand the method. You have to use this term to be added, 1/2 into coefficient of x, whatever the alphabet is there in the given equation, that alphabet you have to write here, and then you have to complete square of this full whole bracket. You will get number. You have to add that number on the both sides of the given equation, and then you have to proceed this. After taking the square root on both sides, you have to write it taking the square root on both sides, taking square root, okay, on both sides. Okay, and then you will get this. Then you have to proceed further, then you will get this solution. Okay, and this is nothing but the final solution of the given equation. So this is one of the method, and now come to the second method. Okay, in this method, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So in this case, x square plus x is equal to k. You have to add, and again x plus a bracket square. This is formula. Actually, you have to use this formula to solve this. Okay, so now what I will get, x square plus x plus k. I have to solve it, x square plus 2x plus a square. Okay, now you have to compare this. Okay, after comparing whatever the equation you will get, that equation will be solution of your problem. Okay, now compare these factors. Okay, you have to compare this 1 and this 1. Okay, so what is there? There is no number, so 1 is equal to 2a. Okay, and this k is equal to a square. Therefore k is equal to a square. Okay, So now see that therefore a is equal to, I will get this a is equal to 1/2. Therefore k is equal to, I'll get 1/2 bracket square. Okay, so it is 1/2 upon 4. So this k is nothing but the constant term we have to add on the both of the given equation, both sides of the given equations. Therefore I can write x square plus x plus 1 upon 4. I am just rearranging this equation for 20 plus 1 upon 4. So I will get x plus 1/2 bracket square is equal to similarly 81 upon 4. Okay, so x plus 1/2 bracket square. So either you can take the square roots on both sides directly, no problem. Okay, by taking square roots on both sides I will get 9 upon 2. Okay, by taking square roots on both sides. Okay, you write perfectly this both sides by taking square roots on both sides. Okay, x, so now this will be 9 upon 2 minus 1/2, or x minus 9 upon 2 minus 1/2. Okay, so x is equal to 8 upon 2, it is 4, or x is equal to minus 10 upon 2, it is minus 5. Okay, therefore the roots of the equation, the roots of given equation are, okay, what, 4 and minus 5. Okay, in this way. Okay, in this way we have to solve this equation. This is also very easy. Just you have to compare this equation and this equation, and finally you'll get this number 1 is equal to 2a, and this k is equal to a square. Just a is equal to 1/2 put in this a square. So 1/4 k is the term you have to add on the both of the sides of the given quadratic equation, and then proceed the following method. Okay, the same method you have to proceed as it is here, and this is common, only you have to check this only and this only. Okay, so these are the changes. I know that I cannot make, means I'm going to stop this video here, because I cannot take two problems in the same video, because I know that I cannot upload a lengthy video on YouTube right now, because I have the issue of the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, but you try to understand both of the methods. In every video we're going to discuss one new problem from this completing the square method, and I will going to explain that at my best. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you'll get the notification of the upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching.